morning routine is complete. I'm currently just getting ready because I've got a dissertation call with my dissertation supervisor in a minute. Today's video is a productive vlog. I haven't got a bra on, so who wears bras these days anyway? So I have uni work to do, and yeah, I basically just thought you guys can come along with me. So hopefully this vlog motivates anyone who is not feeling motivated right now, or not wanting to be productive, has fallen out of routine, has fallen out of their New Year's resolutions, because that, do you know what, that is me. I'm not even gonna lie. I don't know what's happened this week, but I've gone right off my routine. I blame Love Island. Love Island had messed up my night routine, to be honest. Hi, how are you? Thank you for doing this call.
There isn't a consistency of how this is structured.
I am off to a cafe by my house to do some uni work. I'm dragging my mum with me. Oh, the car's locked. But basically I went last week and may or may not have forgotten to pay for my ice coffee. I literally, you pay at the end and I walked straight out. So I am going to correct my wrongdoings. Pay for my coffee. Yeah, I felt awful when I realised. I felt awful when I realised. I felt like a criminal. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do.
On the way up.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a nice smell. What is that smell? Is it you or
Me.
me? Sunshine!
Yeah, you can. What's it like?
Lovely.
The time has come to pack to go back to uni. I don't want to do it. Home is where the heart is, do you know what I mean? Look at the situation right now. Like this. Oh my god, I'm actually embarrassed I'm showing this. Need some TLC. Operation pack my suitcase. I also need to wrap some birthday presents, but I'm not going to do that yet. Do that after. We've got things to do, guys. Let's do a cheeky little time lapse, shall we? Right, we have improvements. I appreciate it looks like a hot mess right now. Taking a lot of stuff back by the looks of it. But yeah, apparently I brought my whole life home with me for Christmas, which is no surprise. But anyway, the next task of my productive day in the life is to sort this out. When I went through my drawers recently, this is just stuff that I was either going to throw, give away or sell. So I'm now going to go through it, and if there's stuff I want to post on Vinted or Depop, take photos of that. You know, it's just one of those chores that you just don't want to do. Is that nice? Is that still nice? Was it ever nice? Not sure that's for me, you know. Sorry, first things first, I've just made an oat milk hot chocolate. Game changer. Of course all the whipped cream's gone in about a second, but game changer, wow. Everyone needs to try that. Anyway, I'm now sitting here about to watch The Traitors final. I have somehow managed to not spoil it for myself on TikTok, so I have no idea. I'm also going to do my Vinted posting or Depop. I can't decide because I've always used Depop and got a bit more followers on there. Do you know what? Who knows? But go follow me on there if you haven't already. Whichever one I decide to post on will be on the screen. Once I've done that, I'm just going to edit a video, make a thumbnail. Honestly, could this day get any more productive? I've also got a meditation class soon. Not sure how that's going to go down, but exciting. Right, I'm going to get ready for date night. I'm going to an Italian this evening, which I've not been to before. Called, what's it called? Molto Bueno? Definitely not how you say it. Park Street. Oh my god. I look a bit mental right now, actually. Let's do a quick little get ready with me. Why is the coffee machine going off and no one's in the house? Okay, I'm going to pretend I didn't hear that. I'm only going to do some natural makeup. I'm really bad at makeup, so someone please teach me. But I got this the other day because I want more of like a glowy look. It's the L'Oreal Paris True Match Lumi Glotion Natural Glow Enhancer. And I'm going to try putting it underneath. Actually, I think I just put way too much on. I will be alright. I'm going to blend that with my hands. Has anyone been watching The Traitors, by the way? Actually, I feel like when this goes out, the final was on Friday. So, that's going to be old news, but I said I wanted to be glowy, and I think I'm going to look like a bloody Tin Man at this rate. Yeah, I actually got quite into it in the end. I know loads of people absolutely rave about it, but personally I prefer Love Island. I feel like I was like skipping all the challenges because I find them a bit boring, but that's just me. Okay, I'm now going to go in. I've not tried this yet actually. I got it the other day and I'm worried that I've got too dark a shade. It's the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. Is this foundation or concealer? I did originally get the shade 5, which was way too dark, so then I went down 4 and it's arrived and I think it looks a bit dark, so this could be risky. But what's it looking like? I think this could be alright, you know. A bit satisfying, this thing. Oh, I don't want much. I think I might have just put too much on. Oh, I'm so bad at makeup. Let's hope I don't look like an Oompa Loompa. My favourites on Love Island, Callum, I'm sorry, he is just gorgeous, isn't he? Molly, absolutely stunning. My mum and dad are on the flight to Tenerife as we speak. I would love to be on holiday right now. I'm just so excited for the holiday vlogs this year. They're actually just the best type of content, aren't they? To film and to watch. Like my Croatia and Ibiza vlog, they're still my most viewed videos every week, so if you come from there, hi. But also thank you to everyone that's watched it. Like the Ibiza vlog is now on like 11k or 12k, and that's just crazy to me. Like just imagining 11,000 people in a room. That's a lot of people. Let's see what is the equivalent of 11,000 people. That is a visual representation of 10,000 people. Add another 1,000. That's actually really embarrassing, so I'm really drunk in that vlog. Anyway, yeah, I'm going back to uni in a couple of days and dissertation deadline is in May. Currently, I'm at the stage where I'm thinking, how on earth am I gonna do it? But yeah, I feel like I'm really hoping I can keep making videos, but considering I also work, balance jobs, writing a diss, other deadlines, I just hope I can pull out the bag, because obviously I care about this more. Actually no, I shouldn't say that. I'm gonna put some mascara on. I haven't put mascara on in God knows how long. You know what? I love wearing mascara. It makes such a difference in my eyes look. But it's just to taking it off at the end of the day. So I never wear it anymore because apparently I've just got really lazy. I don't recognise myself. I actually no, because I didn't know the last time I wore mascara. Also, this is really random but very cool. So my brother, I've got 2 older brothers, and one of them is a co-producer. Anyone that's into their musicals, if you're not, you won't give a shit. He's a co-producer of Six, the musical, and he like runs social media accounts, like the TikToks, everything. He texted me the other day and was like, guess who's coming to watch this evening? Drum roll please. Tom Holland and Zendaya. Sorry, what? Imagine just being in the audience watching and then like looking to your right and Tom Holland is sat next to you. Nah. And my other brother is the head of something, lighting. I don't know the job title. High up for Hamilton. And here I am. Like, what have I got to show? Those spots, don't you just hate when you get spots on your cheeks? Iconic London, I live by this. It's like a multi-use cheek glaze. It's like a highlighter and blush in one. But obviously now I'm putting it on my spots. It's just illuminating the spots. Which, believe it or not really the look I was going for. Oh, also, I'm literally telling such random stories right now. But, has anyone seen Anyone But You? This might be an unpopular opinion. I thought it was bad but good. Do you know what I mean? Like it was like watching, you know when you just, like, it's an easy watch and it's really cringe but you actually secretly love it. Also, fun fact, I don't think I've ever said this on my channel, I've met Sydney Sweeney. I went to, you know, the Mamma Mia, what's it called? Mamma Mia the party. Guess who's in the queue behind me? It's the one and only. I mean, you know who it is, I just literally just told you. But anyway, I'm literally chatting the absolute most. I'm gonna love you and leave you. Actually, no, I'm not. Still here. I'm going to choose an outfit. Right, guys, I'm stuck between two tops. So, either this one. You can't even see. Do you know what? Forget the mirror selfie. Option one. Either way, I'm going to be absolutely freezing my tits off. Right, remember this in your head. Envision. Envision. 3, 2, 1. I love this one too, but I just think I'm going to be far too cold. Stress, 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 stress. Oh. Date night. Date night. This girl is the voice crack. This girl is on fire. Battery.
Vlogmas is over.
Right. Oh dear. Have we put some songs on? I've got a song I'd like to put on. My phone's going to die and my thing's going to die before I get it on. Everyone's going to be wondering, what song was she going to put on? Oh, is this what you thought? What the hell? It's going to die again.
Picture of Lara was actually hilarious.
Said no one ever. It just revived itself. What the hell? Right guys, the evening is over. My camera died. I was so annoyed. I actually was prepared to vlog a bit of the date night, but here we are. These things happen. I was going to vlog my phone and then it didn't even cross my mind. So clearly I was just living in the moment, you know, taking it all in. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.